Coordinating conjunctions connect words or ideas of equal importance. Yet is a coordinating conjunction used to show contrast. It works the same way as but, connecting two complete ideas that go against each other. Yet shows contrast between two ideas, just like but. It is more formal than but. Yet always connects two complete sentences called independent clauses. The structure for yet is always independent clause, comma, yet independent clause. Both sides of yet must be complete sentences that could stand alone. The comma before yet is required. Tom is only 28, yet he is already fed up with life. The first part shows Tom's young age. The second part shows his negative feeling, yet connects these opposite ideas. He has a good job, yet he never seems to have any money. She's overweight and feels terrible, yet she continues to eat lots of cakes and biscuits. Notice how yet always shows unexpected contrast. It was raining, yet the sun was shining brightly. This example shows two opposite weather conditions happening together, yet connects these surprising facts that seem impossible. He makes a lot of mistakes, yet he never takes responsibility. She wanted to go to the party, yet she stayed home to study. Both examples show expected behavior versus actual behavior. Always use a comma before yet when joining two independent clauses. Yet sounds more formal than but. Yet shows unexpected contrast between two complete ideas.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.